Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on VMware. First, make sure your physical computer has enough power. You will need at least 8 GB of RAM and a modern processor to run both the virtual machine and Roblox smoothly. Download and install VMware Workstation Player or Pro. Then, create a new virtual machine, allocating at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 processor cores to it. This foundational setup is crucial for a stable gaming experience. Next, install a fresh copy of a compatible Windows operating system, like Windows 10 or 11, inside your newly created virtual machine. After the operating system is installed, it is absolutely essential to install VMware tools. This package significantly improves graphics performance, mouse integration, and overall system responsiveness. Finally, ensure all graphics drivers within the virtual machine are fully updated to their most recent versions for optimal Roblox performance. Now it's time to install Roblox itself. Download the Roblox player directly within your virtual machine, just as you would on a physical computer. Once installed, open Roblox and adjust its in-game graphics settings to a lower preset if you experience any lag. Also, ensure your virtual machine's display is set to full screen and its resolution matches your monitor for the best visual experience. Closing background apps on both your main computer and the virtual machine will also help. If you encounter performance issues, try increasing the virtual machine's allocated RAM or CPU cores up to half of your host's total resources. Check that your host machine's antivirus software isn't blocking VMware or Roblox. Sometimes, a simple restart of both the host and guest systems can resolve minor glitches. Remember, a powerful host machine with a dedicated graphics card will always provide the best virtualized gaming experience for Roblox.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.